to Olinsi Traveling. On this channel, I'll be bringing you the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and everything in between. I'll take you along to explore small towns across the US and Canada, exactly as they are. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. Let's begin our walk. If you like discovering real places on the road, go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss the next stop. This is the Missouri Valley southbound rest area in Iowa. On paper, it's a handy pull-off, but here's the reality for truckers and travelers. Parking can get tight during busy times, especially for big rigs or RVs. If you arrive late, you may need to circle or adjust to fit in safely. While the greenery is nice, you're right next to the highway, so it's not exactly peaceful. It's a stop for a break, not a place to relax for long periods. The restrooms and vending areas are functional, but don't expect anything fancy. Cleanliness varies depending on traffic and maintenance, so plan accordingly. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. area gets the job done if you need a quick break, stretch, or bathroom stop. But for truckers looking for real rest, this one is more of a pit stop than a layover. Thanks for joining me here on Olinsi Traveling. Every stop has its own story, whether it's a truck stop, a rest area, or a small town street. I bring you along to see it all, just as it is. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to subscribe and come along for the next journey. More towns, more roads, and more real travel experiences are just around the corner. Until then, see you at the next stop.